So sir, my mother said, yes Ankur, please search for the marine engineering. So sir, I started searching, and then I found that there is one course that is DNS for deck side.
Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. Today I have got Ankur Mishra with me. He has already got selected in one of the finest shipping companies in DNS and he is doing a good job. I thought कि क्यों ना एक mock interview लिया जाए. So there will be a technical mock interview as well as a non-technical mock interview. Non-technical mock interview will be uploaded on JMD Academy's YouTube channel and technical mock interview will be uploaded on the YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. तो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, अगर आपको दोनों देखना है दोनों चैनल्स में जाइए, अलग अलग जगह पे मेहनत कीजिए, बट आपको कुछ ना कुछ गाइडेंस जरूर मिलेगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. हाय, हाउ आर यू?
Sir, I am fine. What about you?
आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट. सो अंकुर इज योर नेम, राइट?
Yes sir.
सो अंकुर, फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू?
Sir, I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh.
सो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट फेमस थिंग अबाउट मथुरा?
Sir, Mathura is mainly famous for, sir, as its birthplace of Lord Krishna. So sir, it's mainly famous for the temples. And sir, the sweet dish is famous for that is sir Mathura's peda.
Mathura's peda.
Yes sir.
Okay, great. So Ankur, please introduce yourself.
Good morning sir. My name is Ankur Mishra and I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Emotionally, I am very stable person as I can sustain in any condition without any emotional pullback. Talking about my educational qualification, I had completed my schooling from Mathura only, 10 from St. Paul School with 88.6% and 12 from Khana Makhan Millennium School with 94%. Talking about my family background, I belong to nuclear family. There are 4 members in my family. My father works in an infrastructure department, whereas my mother is a principal, and my sister is preparing for MBBS. My interests include coin collection, cleaning up my room, and interacting with new people. I had achieved a medal and certificate from Bag of Smile NGO, working with them in Corona pandemic time, and I want to become a successful merchant navy officer in my career. That's all about me.
Okay, great introduction. What do you mean by emotionally stable person?
Sir, emotionally stable, this thing sir I have learned from Corona. Sir, as I am a part of many NGOs and RSS, so sir there I have learned, sir, we are working for all of the people in the country. Sir, we are supplying all the medical equipments and oxygen to all of the people. So there I have found, sir, when my nani has died, so sir then I feel that yes I have to do something for the other peoples. So sir, from then sir, something that came from inner inside me that yes I have to do for someone. So sir, I have helped many of the people. So sir, this thing means, sir, people are dying, sir, and sir many of them are crying, yes we have lost this, we have lost this. Sir, in fact of losing my own nani, sir, then also I have started working and helping many of the people. Sir, I have many of the people in the country in the corona pandemic time. So sir, I strongly believe that yes this thing will help me on board ship, sir, as when we go on board ship, people suffer from this thing, as sir they are away from their home, they are going on board ship from first time, from away from their home, so they feel family sickness. So sir, I believe that I will not suffer from this. This is meant by the word emotionally stable.
Okay, let me put it across in a simple way. एक normal interview के अंदर people might not ask you such kind of a question, but I also wanted to give an insight कि whatever you say in your introduction, उसी में से there will be a counter question coming. Now he started saying that he wants to be an emotional stable person. It means that a simple example could have been that during COVID times his nani died, and in spite of seeing that difficult time, he went across and he started helping other people. And that challenging thing has taught him a lesson which will help him throughout life when he is on ship away from his family, so that he is ready to help others and also help himself well, right?
Yes,
so that is the idea.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense. Okay, why did you choose to join Merchant Navy?
Sir, I want to join Merchant Navy by stating that why not Merchant Navy? As a Merchant Navy is a glorious career, as sir, it makes officer in gentleman to every individual entering the field. And sir, to be very honest with you, nowadays my family situation is not at all very good, as sir my father has taken a very huge amount of loan for my sister MBBS fees. And sir, being a responsible son, I want to take that responsibility on my shoulders of repaying the loan as soon as possible and make my family feel proud of me and confident of me. And sir, many a times I have seen the videos in social media such as YouTube and Instagram. There I have seen the people working in the uniform. The situation cannot be expressed in the words that yes, they are working on board ship. So being a responsible person, I want to take that responsibility on my shoulder, working in multi-million dollars of cargo ship carrying at a time. So sir, these are the reasons that why I want to join merchant navy.
Okay, great. चलो थोड़ा मुझे बताओ यार, what kind of ships are there in merchant navy?
Sir, there are many types of ships such as bulk carrier, container vessel, ro-ro vessel, LPG carrier, LNG carrier. That's all.
That's all. Which is the fastest ship?
Container ship.
Container ship. Can you tell me the speed that a container ship can move with
Sir, 30 to 35 nautical miles
per
per hour.
per hour? And what is 1 nautical mile equal to?
Sir, 1 nautical mile equal to 1.852 kilometer per hour.
Kilometers. See guys, why I asked him this thing, this guy is saying I am very passionate about joining merchant navy, I have done this. Now he says that if and I ask him by what kind of ships there are, he told me bulk carrier, container, then he told me LPG, LNG, but कितने oil tanker, crude tanker, chemical tanker सब खा गया. But अच्छी बात है कि I asked him another question, which is the fastest ship. He told me a container ship. I asked him a speed. He told me right, and then I asked him the conversion. He told me right. So okay, I will take it as a yes. So when you say something that you're passionate about, you need to know about it. If you say you're passionate about joining a company like Anglo Ocean or Synergy or Scorpio or Great Eastern, you need to know about them. Right? If you're passionate about merchant, you need to know about this profession. Otherwise, जय माता दी, आप बेवकूफ़ बनाने की कोशिश करो, इंटरव्यू बेवकूफ़ नहीं बनेगा. चलिए, next question. भाई, you got 94% in your class 12th, right?
Yes, sir.
You could have gone for IIT,
Yes, sir.
but you did not go for IIT.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is the IIT so difficult?
No, sir. Sir, mainly my father' dream was to see me as a IITian and become a good in computer science, sir. As sir, since class 5th to sir 12th, sir, I was really good at computer, and sir, we have the language that is Python. Sir, sir, I was good in command of the Python language. So, sir, my father said that you should go for the same you are good in, sir. But my mother said that all of the students nowadays are doing BTech in computer engineering.
Agreed.
So, sir, why to go in a same way? You should do something different that all of the people are not doing. So, sir, she started searching what are the other fields that you can go for. So, sir, as she is a principal in school, so, sir, once sir said her that yes, ma'am, the new thing nowadays is marine engineering. You can take your son to that field only. So, sir, my mother said, yes, uncle, please search for the marine engineering. So, sir, I started searching, and then I found that there is one course that is DNS for deck side. So, sir, I found that yes, it will be financially good for me, and I can become a good officer in it. So, sir, then my interest started including it, and then I started preparing myself for the merchant navy.
Have you seen any kind of failures when you started preparing for merchant navy?
Yes, sir. Sir, initially I have seen many failures before joining JMDI, and sir, the failure was, sir, I have heard many colleges names that yes, there are many colleges. Sir, I have applied in all of them. There many companies came for sponsorship, and sir, the college is also providing us the online Zoom meeting for preparation of the interviews and written examination. So, sir, I am preparing well, and I was doing great in it. All of the teachers are telling that you are capable in doing the good things, and we strongly believe that you will be in good shipping company. But sir, unfortunately, when the final list came of the company, I was not there. So it was very shocking news for me that how it can be possible for me that. Then, sir, 2 days I have not talked to anyone, and then third day I have texted you, sir. They say
Okay, let's not make this mock interview about JMD Academy of Praneeth Mehta, otherwise the idea will get lost. So chalo, coming to the point. चलो next question पूछते हैं. What is your daily routine?
Sir, my daily routine is, sir, I have created one book, and sir, before sleeping I write all of the routine that yes, today is 8th of Jan, for 9th of Jan what I have to do. And sir, starting of the day, sir, at 7 a.m, sir, I do breakfast and freshing up myself. And sir, after that I open up that notebook, and yes, I have to prepare for this topic. Then I starting preparing for that topic. Sir, nowadays my interest in world geography is increasing day by day. So, sir, I started learning the new things of geography, and sir, start learning the things of merchant navy, knowing the facts of the shipping industry and all of the things of the ship. That what are the major equipments used on board ship that I should be know before joining the ship.
Okay,
So,
great.
sir,
Now see, he himself told me कि he is interested in geography. He himself told me that he is interested in knowing about different equipments on use on ship. So that I'm going to ask him in the technical round. Trust me, I'm going to ask that. Okay, so that is how you, what are your strengths and your weaknesses?
Sir, my strengths include that I am very emotionally stable person. Sir, I am an adaptable person, and sir, I am very passionate person. The thing I set in my mind I have to do, I do it with my full passion. Sir, these all are the things that I feel that I am good in.
And what are your weaknesses?
Sir, my weakness is that I am a straightforward person, but sir, nowadays I am improving myself on it.
ये पत्थर मारता है कई बार. So he is somewhere, if he has got something in his mind, there is no filter in between. He will say in the same language. Sometimes people who are higher in the rank, they might get offended, feel offended, and that is when we find it. Because we have to tune it well. Why? Because tomorrow you go and chip and tell chief officer, sir, ऐसे नहीं होगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा. अरे जय माता दी, chief officer going to rock you up and down. So see, this is where the thing comes in. But I must say that your communication skills have improved. I'm very happy with this. Over the period that we saw you when you joined, and now today there is a big transformation which has happened. But please keep continue doing that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Let's stop it over here and let's go with the technical round. ठीक है, start करते हैं, चलो. ठीक है.